Hi everybody, it's 8:20 and 20 seconds on July 30th. Finally, here is the main drawing for the Hulk 181. Over here, I'm going to go up and down a few times. On the left-hand side over here are the 30 filled spots. Most of them were from minis. I would actually say probably about 70% of them were from minis. So here we go. Number is lucky 13. I'm going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list is going to get the slab. I may not be able to get it out in tomorrow's mail, but it will go out within the next day or so. Okay, so good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is the final one. 13, spot 15, Peter DeGroot. Congratulations. Time is 8:21 and 23 seconds.